that basketball and soccer court you always see in the videos. This is where the parties be at. Getting active over here. We over here in Comuna 13 though. It's Apaches Travels, you know the deal. Tell them, Comuna 13, tell them.
Aquí en Comuna 13.
Ajá. So you get shy, say I'm not going to get shy when you're on camera.
Football, bro.
Football time.
Bro, look at them legs. The little legs.
So the kids over here, they want us to play them in soccer, but I don't know what we're going to do. We'll see what's up. Time out.
Yes. Play.
Go ahead. We can do this little
I want to hit this gun.
So I get it. Good.
I'm not good.
You gotta try and block them? Go. We go. We try to block them. Can't touch it.
Okay. No. 4 goles finitos.
Let's go. We on it. Hop, 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 hop. Oh. Dale. Get him, get him. Come on, teammate. Teammate, dale. Uh-oh.
Who's team?
I thought we was on there.
I thought we was on team.
Yeah, what's going on here? I thought we was on team.
Who's team? Wait.
No, us? I thought this is our side. This is us. We can't get. We got the soccer ball in the room.
No, juega ya.
Ooh. Oh, I can't get it. Get it.
Harry.
Oh shit.
Whoa. Ooh. Get in there. Yep.
Nah, get that shit from the.
Oh!
You almost killed them.
Love it. Woo. Go ahead. Go ahead. He got the quick footwork. Go put that footwork on him. So that's our goal then. Isn't this the goal anyway? I don't get it. Oh! My own goal. I don't even know which one our goal is supposed to be. So. Oh, that's our goal? Block it up. I got it. No goal. Oh, our goal's a little one. There you go. Oh! I'll block this on top of it. Oh, no hands. My hand. Oh! Oh!
A little shit goes far sometimes, you know?
Know the deal. Let's It's the escalator going up. Comuna 13.
Good workout. Bubble beer.
Got that Azul beer, you know the deal. Heineken. Know what's going on.
But these are steps they took before, or these are steps they built?
This is separate. All the way up, like if we would have walked up the street, it would have been straight up.
I think we did again. Oh, the other route you were talking about?
Yeah, it's like that, but like see how this is wide? It's like that. Years ago, this area was known as one of the most dangerous neighborhoods in the country, dealing with heavy violence with gangs and conflict. A lot of people were afraid to even come here, but over time, the community transformed the area through art, music, and tourism. Today, Comuna 13 is one of Medellin's biggest tourist attractions, filled with colorful murals, street performances, local food, and people from all over come here to experience the energy. Yeah, they got a lot of.
I thought it was somebody's dog.
This dog going down the escalator. Look, what the fuck? Shit crazy.
I grabbed the right in his mouth too.
You did?
I thought somebody's dog was running.
He going down? He's still going down?
That's a hood dog. Right, he plays some good.
That's upstairs, the Apache mama.
Yeah, that's I can't do that. Hey, you just waiting for someone. Why the fuck ain't that up? You just waiting for someone. I'm not fucking with this. That's I'm not fucking with
We got all the dogs out over here. Aren't these the French ones? The Frenchies?
I would take one right now.
Look at them, another Frenchie.
You know, she does say Frenchies walking around. What the fuck, dude? You
Right.
know how bad people want these at home? Hey!
What you got going on over here?
Well, these dogs out here, like, just for free. Which one would you take? This one right here. How you doing that?
I'm hard picking. Maybe that one.
How are you? Oh, that's not a friend.
That's your homie?
Put them in the bag. Put them in your duffel bag. They just walking around here like this.
There's some ones around here.
Right, but it's gotta be somebody who don't have a tag.
Town spots people want to take pictures at. City's opening up as you go up. Oh, it's going wild.
El gerente, es evidente, el patrón. Hey bro, yo te voy a saludar, mi hermano. Tú pareces como militar retirado de esos mercenarios de Rusia. Tengo el estilo de la USA. Hey, aquí no te pone excusa. ¿De dónde tú nos visitas, mi hermano? Where are you from?
No money.
Where are you from? Hey, no, hey, my friend, listen my.
You can break it down for them if you want.
Hey, everybody, put your hands on. America and Colombia, real connection. Hey, no money, no pussy. No pussy. Hey, no mentira, my friend, very good flow, man.
Hey.
Very good flow, man. Very good flow, man. Let's go, see that energy, come to my train.
When are they gonna give up?
Bigger and bigger this place. Kev, you gotta bring your Jones over here.
Which one's the home one? Home one. Which one's Kevin? It's gotta be the one. Yo, stop playing.
Topo Art. Got different positions. Made by a local Medellin artist. Look, someone ripped out part of that one. definitely different. We'll check out his pages. You see the walls. Traditional crib. Those are niggas that refuse to sell this shit. Okay. So art.
Out here chilling, he out here.
Throw some salt on it.
He lit. I'll about show these walls real quick. Thanks for tuning into the vlog. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more vlogs from Columbia. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.